Hey, are you a traditional artist?
Yes.
I was talking to the viewers, Meg.
Okay, Dora the Explorer.
If you're trying to get into digital art, stick around because the last tip was a game changer for me.
Some of these tips help improve workflow, some of them are to make it closer to traditional, some are just more fun.
Tip number one, reduce stabilization while sketching. It'll feel 100 times better to quickly block in the feeler lines. It's closer to sketching on paper. Set shortcut for these brush settings. You'll see why in a bit. They are toggle color mixing and toggle erase slash normal blending modes. Use a sketchy brush or pencil to get your feeler lines in. And instead of switching over to a hard eraser that gets rid of everything, you just switch over to erase mode and use the same brush.
Oh, that leaves residue just like traditional art. Useful.
Always remember this, white share icon is bad. Gray share icon is good. Keep checking that regularly.
Reduce your sketch layer opacity to the bare minimum.
Adjust the pen pressure graph to your liking. Crank up the stabilization and lower stabilization and higher speeds. Makes more sense right here. Then you can get your line work done.
Don't forget you can rotate and zoom your canvas. Just don't zoom in too much. Make sure the stroke fits your natural drawing arc.
You can just fill in all your flat colors in the same layer, just like traditional. You can always isolate the colors with the magic wand tool while rendering individual parts. Use a multiply layer with a darker color to be able to see all the gaps and holes in your fill layer. And then you can fix it with this tool right here.
Okay, this was the game changer I was talking about. Stop chasing pixel level perfection. Your traditional art isn't perfect, so why chase that here? Unless you're going for a clean vector style art.
So, like Megan says, you just hide the mistakes.
All this is so complicated. Why would anyone want to switch over to digital?
Let's see. More job opportunities, less long-term expenses, you can take it anywhere, easier to record for YouTube.
Even after all that, there is no physical drawing in it to give persistence. Where is the satisfaction in all this? If you made it this far, come and hypocrite.